Hey guys, it's Shananigans. So, quick disclaimer before I start. I was recording on the floor using my drawing board as my background, and I can't quite figure out how to edit out all of the background things off the sides of my drawing board, so let's just ignore that and get into the video. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Sharpie 30 count Special Collector's Edition. This was on sale for Black Friday in 2018, and it was retail for like $10 at Walmart, and I figured 30 Sharpies for $10 is a pretty good deal. So in this pack we have this lovely dragon on the front. He looks pretty cute. You get 18 fine point markers and 12 ultra fine point permanent markers, plus 6 bonus coloring pages. Ooh, fun. So on the back here we have this beautiful dragon guy again. I think this is supposed to be a preview of what you're going to get with the coloring pages. So it looks like you get to draw this guy, or color in this guy, and it shows all of the colors at the bottom here. And for the fun part, we're gonna open it now. So I just have my scissors here to cut the tape. Okay, so just opens with a tab. Opens kind of like a pizza box. Inside we have the way too much plastic packaging with all of our Sharpie markers. I'm going to set this box to the side. And we have our 6 coloring pages, which looks like it's our little dragon dude's eye. Oh, looks like another one of our dragon dude, just hanging out, chilling. And oh, maybe his friend, looks like, 3-headed dragon. Probably call him Norm, because I kind of like that name for a 3-headed dragon. We have another dragon over here. He's just breathing fire, doing dragon stuff. Looks like dragon eggs. This one looks like it's about to hatch. That's cute. And another dragon who looks like he's hunting down this knight here. This knight thinks he's all safe, but nope, there's a dragon. I'm gonna put these coloring pages aside. So I'm just gonna get all of these out and lay them out in rainbow order. So I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So as you see, I've laid out all of the markers you get in this pack. In this top row, you have all of the markers that come in both the fine point and the ultra fine point in their matching colors. There are 10 that come like this. And then this bottom row are the 10 markers you get in the set that are both the ultra fine point and the fine point that do not have matching colors. Starting with the top row from left to right, I'm going to read the color names off.
There's Solar Flare Red, Orion Orange, Orange, Martian Green, Galaxy Green, Navy, Intergalactic Indigo, Rocket Fuel Red, Celestial Gray, and Dark Matter Gray.
Now starting from the bottom left going to the right of the second row,
we have Lilac, Supersonic Yellow, Yellow, Lime, Aqua, Blue, Purple, Magenta, Black, and Brown.
So as you can see, these are the 30 different markers that you get. You have 18 different colors in the fine point and 12 different colors in the ultra fine point. So as you can see here, this is the regular Sharpie fine point tip that we're all used to seeing. And this is what the ultra fine point looks like. So these are the 30 Sharpies that you get in the Special Collector's Edition set from Walmart for about $10 this 2018 Black Friday season. Now, I want to test out how well these markers work with the coloring pages they provided, so I'm going to get that set up and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I've laid out all of my markers with the ultra fine point on the left side and the fine point on the right side. And I'm going to pick out one of these coloring sheets. I think I'm going to pick out this one. Just looks like the front of our box with a little dragon dude's eye on it. So the coloring sheets sort of come in these 3 sets where they're all set together. So I'm just going to tear this off of its perforated pages. So first I can say this tears pretty cleanly till this last corner a little bit tore off from the back, but that won't change either picture. So that's not a huge deal to me. That side tore off pretty cleanly, so I'm happy with that. I've messed up my markers over here on the left, but it's not a huge deal. I'm just picky about it. It feels sort of like a cardstock paper, but not quite like marker paper, so I'm just gonna test it, and because I have faith in this paper, I'm not gonna put anything underneath it. So let's start with our first color, which is Solar Flare Red.
This is my biggest complaint about Sharpies, which I'm going to go on a rant for a second. Why does Sharpie have all of these colors and they put them on the box, but they don't write them on their marker? Because what if I want Solar Flare Red, and then it's been, I don't know, a year and a half, and I can't remember which one that color is? I mean, sure, maybe this isn't a big deal to some people, but to me, I care about seeing the color on my markers.
So let's test it. Really hope it doesn't bleed through the paper. But, you know, since we're testing it, let's really test it and get a lot of marker on there. This goes pretty nicely. I will say it's not like eating up the paper, tearing through. It looks like it bleeds through the back, but I don't have anything here, so I think so far it seems like this passed. Let's try an ultrafine point. I'm sure it's the same ink, but let's just test it. These ultrafine points are really hard to open. It's not a big deal. I'm also weak, so it could be me. We'll say I don't want to color this whole page with these ultrafine points. Now to really test this paper a little bit more, make sure it doesn't bleed through. Oh, like that one did. You can see I put a bunch of ink down with the ultrafine point, and now it's great. That's going to be fun to clean. Alright, well, so much for having faith in this paper. Let's go with a really dark navy blue and try this again. Just because I want to make a mess, I guess. Alright, lots of ink down because I want to have a mess to clean up. So I will say these write exactly like a normal Sharpie, so there's nothing really different about that. They have that pungent Sharpie smell, so if that's something you enjoy, then you will definitely like these. This little spot with a lot of ink to see if you bleed through. I do like that this ink isn't tearing up this paper, so that's a plus, even if it does bleed through. And I am putting a lot of ink down, so I'll actually go in with another color just to show if I were coloring just regularly without trying to get a bunch of ink down on this paper. If you're coloring normally, it probably won't bleed through, you're probably not going to have problems, but I want to really test out my paper. I've just drawn on this navy color and our aqua color, and underneath it looks pretty good. So you can see this one bled through. I'm sure if I added more ink it would bleed through completely. Aqua colored, coloring like regular. It's barely showing through the back, so as long as you're not using a ton of your Sharpie over and over again, you're not going to have it bleed through the paper, which is awesome. So for my overall review of this special collector's edition set of the 30 pack of Sharpies, I really like it. I wanted new Sharpies. Since they're about $1 a piece, I figured getting 30 for $10 was a great deal. I also like that you get a variety of fine point and ultra fine point. I do a lot of coloring and art, and I draw a lot of my own characters, and I like to have matching fine points with my ultra fine points because it helps with line work for me. So this is a really great set in my opinion. If you're looking for a gift set for someone for the holidays, this is a really awesome set if you have someone you know who really likes coloring, an artist, someone who just likes collecting office supplies, because I know I am also one of those people who's way too excited by office supplies. So if someone gave this to me as a gift, I would be really happy. I got it for myself as a gift, and I am pretty happy. So overall, I recommend this set. I think it's nice. I hope this video was helpful for you guys to see what this collector set is like and what all the different Sharpie colors are. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.